So what is going on, guys? This is Ankan here from Detectives, and this video is going to be a unboxing video of Infinix Note 4, the device which is getting so much popular in online market, especially in Flipkart. So I have brought it from Flipkart yesterday for about 9,000 rupees, guys. So I have already opened the box, as you can see here, in front of delivery boy. So let's see the box of the smartphone here. Here you can see. So this is the box here, you can look like the Note 4 here, and we got the 3GB and 32GB variant here, and the Infinix branding at the side of the box you can see, and some key specifications are written over here, like 5.7-inch Full HD Sharp display. Sharp is a well-known brand for making IPS LCD panels. A octa-core CPU, which is MediaTek MT6753 chipset, which is an octa-core CPU clocked at 1.3 GHz and architecture based on Cortex A53 based, and this is quite a power efficient chipset, I would say. In the camera department, we got 13 megapixel back and 8 megapixel shooter at the front with 1.25 micron size pixels. Front mounted fingerprint scanner, 2.5D curved glass. Gyroscope sensor is also available here. A massive 4300 mAh battery, 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. XOS, which is company's inbuilt user interface, and also it supports fast charging. The technology here using is X-Charge. So here you can see the price here is 9,999 rupees, but I have brought it from for about 9,000 rupees. So let's see the box here, and you can also see that I have the ice blue variant here, and it's also company also say a free upgrade for audio. So let's see whether we get the audio update or not. So let's open the box and see how the device actually looks like. So here our device. So this is the device here. Just keep it aside and see what kind of stuff we get. So this is a quite a different box. You get the smartphone at the front and get the accessories from the back. So let's open it. So the first thing we got here is a jelly case. Pretty good to see companies these days providing jelly case, and also get a screen protector and some paperwork like manuals and warranty stuffs other like that. And you also got a USB cable, quite different USB cable and very good in quality, but not a Type-C cable, here you can see. And the other thing is the power brick. The phone supports fast charging, so maybe this will be a fast charger. So here you can see the power level here is 5 volt and 9 volt at 2 ampere and 9 volt 12 volt at 1.5 ampere. So it's a quite fast charger, a 18 watt fast charger that will able to charge your device 45% in just 30 minutes, which is quite astonishing, I would say. So let's check the device. Let's peel off the plastic. So first of all, you get some specifications here, like X-Charge 5.7-inch Full HD display, 4300 mAh battery, and camera 13 megapixel back camera and 8 megapixel shooter at the front. So let's peel off the plastic here. I have already applied a screen protector, as you can see, because I have already unboxed it. So this is gonna be a second unboxing. So as you can see the device looks so much gorgeous and feels very premium in hand. So coming to the build quality, guys, so here you get a metal case here. This is completely made out of metal, but at the back you get a metal finish, but this is not a metal, this is a plastic, high quality plastic build, because you can remove the back here. And coming to the build quality, like at the right side you get a volume rocker and a power button. At the top you get 3.5 mm jack. At the left you actually get nothing, and at the bottom part you get a speaker grill, a microphone and a charging port. Coming to the front, you get a 8 megapixel shooter, a speaker, and also a flash, and you get a proximity sensor. I don't know if you're able to see this. You get a proximity sensor here, and also a LED notification light here, and you get a front mounted fingerprint scanner and a navigation keys which are not backlit. And at the back side you get 13 megapixel shooter along with dual flash. This is not a dual tone LED flash, this is dual flash. Infinix branding here and a note written over here. So you can actually remove the back. I will show you actually. So here we go. So at the back you get actually a micro SD card, dual SIM port. So it's good to see that this is not a hybrid solution, and you don't have to compromise with the connectivity and the storage. And you get a massive 4300 mAh battery, which is not non-removable. And also you can see the screws are tied over here. So let's check the device here. So I have already set it up the device, as you can see. And the fingerprint scanner is one of the fastest fingerprint scanner that I have found for this price range, guys. So the mechanism here is using, if you are tapping the tapping your finger onto the fingerprint, it will not work. You just have to tap and press, and this will work in just split second. As you can see, I'll just place this. This is quite fast, and I have also set in my left hand. So this is quite fast fingerprint scanner, and the viewing angles of the display is great, I would say, because this display built by Sharp, a well-known brand for making IPS LCD panels here. And the brightness level here is quite low, as you can see. If I pull the brightness, then you can actually judge how the bright the display is. And the sunlight visibility is actually great in this device, because this LCD panel is having 500 nit brightness level. And go to the settings here, you can see the Android version that I'm using is XOS Chameleon version 2.3, and it is based on Android Nougat. You can see this. And the security patch here is January 5, 2018 is the security patch level. So this device is having some gesture and smart motion options like tap to wake, like you can tap to wake the device and also tap to sleep the device. And also quick start, one-handed mode. What is one-handed mode? It's quite a different thing. Like if you not able to use this kind of big screen devices, like you can use one-handed mode. This will lower the screen brightness, and you can also use this device in one-handed mode. And also some other stuffs like take screenshot with 3 fingers. Like you can take a screenshot like that with 3 fingers. Just this is a quite different gesture. And here is 70 apps installed, and here are 70 apps installed, and the device comes with a lot of bloatware, because looks like the company is trying to establish themselves in the Indian market. So I have already installed like 50 or 60 applications, and the UI here is quite smooth. And the battery here is decent, that gives you about 2 days of battery backup with normal usage, and 1.5 days of battery backup with moderate and heavy usage. Here you can see 90% is remaining, and it is using the lithium polymer technology here. Now let's check the camera. The camera is decent. You get 13 megapixel camera at the back, so the focusing is great, and the shutter speed is also great. Live filters here like that, and some other camera options like professional beauty mode. In professional mode you get a DSLR like feeling, you can see that. And also get beauty mode, PIP, panorama, night, wide selfie. And if you swipe from the right side, you get a HDR, grid line, level, delay capture, gesture shot, smile, touch capture, more. So it's advanced UI for the camera. So for the camera, I would say it's the best budget camera for 10K budget segment, and it can also compete with the smartphone that comes with 15 or 20K budget also, because the camera here is decent. If you use in real life, you will understand how good is the camera. So let's take some pictures sample here. As you can see, it's taken in natural lighting condition, and the picture is also very good, sharp, and the bokeh effect is awesome, I would say. You can see this. If you zoom the photo, you can see the detailing over here and the blur in the background. Looks like a SLR camera, SLR smartphone you're holding. So quite good. And you also get some other features like in X family. You get a system update, user guide, weather. In weather app, you can check the weather for today. And also X account, X manager, X security. And you get a cleaner app that will able to clean your device like that. And also X theme, which is company's inbuilt theme storage, where you can get bunch of wallpapers, themes, fonts, etc. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I have given the unboxing and the first impression hands-on review for this Infinix Note 4. If you have any questions regarding this smartphone, you can comment me on the comment section. I will definitely reply you. So thanks for watching again, and also subscribe my channel to see more tech updates. We'll see you guys in the next one.